mad fisherman. We are back down here, Valley Falls, for the last time for walleye, and we're gonna go for some smallmouth too. So my main point is smallmouth, but we catch some walleye, but we're going for both, either or. Last day of float fishing, and then tomorrow we're gonna try for some pike and some smallmouth again in a different area where it gets serious. We're gonna get serious tomorrow. Today, we're just gonna mess around, try to catch some floating walleye, etc., etc. You know, see what we can get. So, this is Ontario walleye and some smallmouth. So let's get out there. Oh, fishing. We are fishing today. Yeah, nothing yet. Still working out the perks and the jerks. Gotta find the right spot. I found like drifting it from like, 10 feet to 30 feet down the river. You'll find one. But it doesn't really look like the current's really flowing that heavy today. So, let's see if we can get on that one. Sometimes you just jerk it a little bit, move that worm around. It helps, but not really. If there's only fish in the area, maybe they're not hungry, maybe they're just starving. I mean, not starving, maybe they're full. They've been eating for the last couple days. The last couple days has been pretty good fishing, so I don't know. We'll see. We will see. Oh, I got something. I think it's bass. Oh no, it's a walleye. I knew we'd find one. Whew. Usually never catch them on overcast days. I mean, you can, but there we go. Nice Walter head, yeah. Whew. Exactly what I was looking for. This is awesome. Nice little Walter. Look at that boy. Nice little guy. Oh yeah. And let's release him. Oh yeah. Good boy. Just had two on. I ended up getting this one. The other bobber went underwater. And then this one is going right underwater. Oh, there's another walleye. I knew drifting would definitely do the job. The other bobber was going underwater too. Oh, there we go. Get this guy in. Oh, there we go. Nice eating walleye. Oh. Whew. Another walleye. There we go. All right. That's two now. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. Oh yeah. Let's put her back in the water. There she goes. Like I said, both the bobbers went underwater and I had the cues on. So I tried to reel the smaller one in and it let go, so I got the bigger one in first. So that's good. Let's keep fishing. Already just put the other bobber back in the water. And this one, oh, we got a bass. Little bass. Woo! It was always good to catch a bass while you're walleye fishing. Well, I guess we're bass fishing too, though. Oh, it's gotten windy. It's windy, and we were fishing. We got a float right there, a float out there. We're just floating for some walleye, some bass. We caught a bass, but I didn't feel like filming it. I was lazy. No. I guess I didn't have time to get the camera ready. And like just a little half pounder, so no point even trying. But we're gonna keep trying for some walleye and some bass, maybe a pike, but we'll see. Oh yeah. Oh. Look at the big bass. Oh. Oh. I don't know what that is. Oh. Is that a largemouth? What is that? Oh my god, it's a largemouth. I haven't caught a largemouth all year. Look at that. It's a freaking largemouth. God damn. Expecting that one. God damn largemouth. Oh, come on, buddy. Come on. Here you go. Oh, that's a big largemouth. Look at the size of him. Whew. Nice. Oh, look at the size of him. I haven't caught a largemouth all year this size. Look at that. Nice largemouth. Oh yeah. That was awesome. I haven't caught actually, like, I've caught little largemouth, but I've not caught a big largemouth all year. Been all focusing on smallmouth, so that was actually an unexpected catch. So that was great. Let's keep trying. That was awesome. I really like that. Let's keep fishing. One's tucked down. There we go. Oh, he feels good. Oh, this feels like a good one. Oh yeah. This feels like a good fish. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh, he's not that bad. Decent little guy. Thought he was bigger than that. He felt like he was bigger. Let's get him in here. See where my smoke is. Look at him. Oh yeah. Oh, decent. Decent. Oh. Another decent walleye. Look at that boy. Another good guy. Let's keep fishing. Let's keep fishing. Oh, that was exciting a little bit. Well, yeah, that was exciting. Caught a largemouth, which is nice. I really like that. That was awesome. But yeah, the last couple shots there, it ended up being like it was bouncing the bottom, so it acted like, you know, the bobber would kind of go under, up. And I kept thinking it was a fish, but it ended up being, well, it could have been a fish before, but it ended up snagging. Had to break the line, which kind of sucks. But yeah, that was some pretty good fishing. I like that. 3 walleye, largemouth, a couple smallmouth. It's good. So yeah, that's probably gonna be it for now for walleye, but we're gonna try to focus on some pike fishing, which will hopefully be the next video, or some more smallmouth fishing, but either or. But yeah, just like and subscribe down below, because we got more videos coming at you. So I'll see you next time.